Morgan 44 Sport 2011, actually known as Katie due to the reg number. Headlamp mesh, mesh grille, ear spinners, radio CD, round door mirrors, chrome interior mirror, big 1600 Sigma engine, reclining sports seats, the standard, luggage rack, green Sunvisors, steering column cowl's been covered in leather, it's got door check straps, elasticated pockets, fire extinguisher, covered 23,000 miles. We've sold the car previously before and available for Isle of Wight sports cars. Thank you for viewing. To arrange to view or a test drive, please call 01234 750 205. And thanks again.